217 channel. You might remember this place as the mini movies or you suck at ping pong. But today we have a different video. We got Jeremiah. So we got AJ. And we got a new fella to the channel, Riley Thompson. Say hello. Stay. Okay.
Look at this dude.
Now today, it's not a very fun video, but today we're going to be showing you our pigeons and the fun we can have with them. So here are our pigeons. Here we have one over here. We have three babies. They're babies. Here's another pigeon over here. Where's the last one?
This is Oreo.
Where's the? And there's one in there, but we got to get them later. But here's our pigeons right now, the two we have outside. So we're going to have some fun with them. So what you can do with them, you can groom them and they can sit on your hand. They'll just sit on your hand, be as chill as possible. They can fly.
Wait, I'm wrong.
He just flew. My bad.
The only reason I today is because they were on my head.
Okay, I know. It's all right. All right, so what else can we do? So AJ's going to hold him. Here, put him on my arm. Here. Put him down.
No.
Look, he's going to walk. Go. Look, so now he's on my hand. If they love you, you can put your cheek up to them and they'll kiss you. But they do not peck you. But he don't love me. Let's see if he loves you guys. Mwah, I love you, subscribers. Please subscribe. Okay, that was just me. I'm sorry. So, I do not want to promote my channel. We promote Dr. Pepper and Tide.
We love Dr. Pepper.
Oh, and Mr. Beast and PewDiePie. That's it. Oh, guess what I found out today? My mom is a fan of T-Series.
What's T-Series?
Oh, no!
Hey, boys!
My mom, I was looking at T-Series versus PewDiePie, and I saw T-Series, and I was subscribed. I was like, Mom, you like T-Series? And she was like, yeah. I was just like, PewDiePie for the win. All right.
What the heck?
Oh, my gosh. Two are on Riley. They love Riley Thompson, except Jeremiah took them off. So,
I'm a wild man.
yeah, AJ, you're just being retarded. You're being retarded.
Fly. No, fly, buddy.
Oh, wow, look at the flying. Look at the fly. All right, Riley, throw him in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, fly. Okay. He loves you. Look, they're flying. Oh, no. Look at this. That's disgusting. Ew. Look how
tomato. Looks like tomato juice.
I love you guys. Oh, my gosh. Oh, no, the heater.
Oh, snap. Mario. He's good. Stop being stupid.
I'm turning this off. They can burn themselves, you idiot.
Alright, get it off me.
Dad, if you're watching, beat Jeremiah up. I'm going to show you the video. He's being an idiot. He's letting the pigeon fly in front of the heater. But don't worry, smart child. I'm wrong. Turned it off. It's going to be weird for you people who aren't my dad. So. Oh my gosh, this video's weird so far. Oh my gosh, we have Mr. Pigeon. Here, Mr. Pigeon, can you walk for us? Okay. Oh, look at Jeremiah. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at him. Oh no, I swear if he landed on my head. Wow. He's such a gentle flyer. He flies with...
There he goes.
Look at Glance. Oh, Riley, he pooped on your jacket. Stop! You're hurting his wing. I'm going to beat you up for that. Come on, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh my gosh, you hurt him again.
He flew into the thing.
You love hurting him. That's it. Now I'm beating you up. For real. Bad boy. Mr. Pigeon over there's down there. And Riley has Mr. Pigeon too. And Mr. Pigeon is not Mr. Pigeon because he don't have a pigeon on his head. Pigeons. What are we doing here? So these are Pakistani high flyer pigeons. They are from Pakistan. These pigeons' eggs were the eggs were laid in America and were born in America. But the pigeons actually here, they were all imported from Pakistan. So actually what the pigeons will do, they'll start flying in the air. So in the morning and around in the summertime, you'll let them go and they'll fly off into the air around like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. And then they'll fly right back down around 7:30 when it starts getting dark. You leave your door open and they'll go back to whatever cage or home they have. So in our case, they'll open, the door will open in our kitchen. They'll come down, they'll walk down the stairs and right into the cage. We've been training them. We've been flying them outside. Our one bird, Patricia over here, flew all the way up to a tree and then flew back down. But it took a little while for her to come down. I took those snowballs at her to make her move to a different tree. So but they're learning very well. Their wings have grown. We cut their feathers so they wouldn't fly. It didn't hurt them at all. So just so they can't really fly anymore. So they wouldn't fly away from us while we train them. So we have this light that looks like the sun or God, but God's up there. I mean, look, in the camera there's a little glare. Look, AJ, come here. Look, you see it? Look.
Oh yeah, cool.
And look, there's a little green light. I don't know what that is. Can you guys see the green light? Ooh, I have a green light. Alright, the green light's gonna be in AJ's face. Wow. Look at his face. Look at the pigeon. Alright. So we got Mr. Pigeon here. Poop, another poop. Let's get a close up on the poop. Guys, if you guys don't like poop, please get away. Where's the poop?
Over right there.
Oh.
It's like water with seeds. It's nasty, Elmo.
Ew. Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Oh my gosh, that was disgusting. Guys, if you don't like disgusting things, you might want to skip. Okay, close up. This is not watery, so you guys might be a little fine. It's white. Alright, I'm not going to get on the poop details. But this guy's been pooping a lot. Why are you pooping, buddy? Huh? Why are you pooping? Why are you pooping?
Oh, that's so nasty.
Riley, calm down. Look, AJ is the pigeon man.
Bring the other baby bird out.
All right, bring the other one. He's the crazy one. He's mine.
He's
All right.
gonna poop right on my hoodie. I'm gonna be so pissed.
Where's the crazy one?
Oh my gosh.
Jeremiah knows it.
Hello. Oh my gosh, he just flew off you. No, don't go. He went back inside.
He's like, leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Sponsor us. Leave me alone. No, we will not be sponsored by you. We only are sponsored by Dr. Pepper and Tide Pods.
AJ, Oreo just packed me.
He wants to bring more babies out.
No, he didn't.
Jeremiah wrong.
They don't pay.
Ew, it pooped again. I knew it. I was ready for that.
He kissed you, Riley. All right, close up poop. This one's more splattered.
This guy's like a little good.
Ew.
He's a little guy. He's a little guy.
Man, iPhone 7 camera quality is amazing.
Ow, you're
Still good.
Don't do
His talons.
I have to.
We should get another. We should get like 20 pages of far route.
All right, guys, I'm gonna do basketball with my camera. Woo, wee, woo.
Come on, baby. No, bad. Don't hit, okay? No.
Oh, God, stop it. Close up, oops.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
What
Bring
are
the
you-
other ones out. Bring the other ones out.
Sir, home.
Go down,
Water. This is them trying to swap pigeons. You want to see the pigeon fly?
All right, ready? Let's go. Let's go.
Make it fly.
Amram, what did you do?
That's what we call it, flying pigeon.
That's called a...
Riley is very camera shy, so she always runs from the camera for some reason.
Because she doesn't like being seen and being popular.
Dude, we-
Amram, don't let her go behind the freaking couch, you motherfucker.
We only have 11 subscribers. No one's actually going to see you. You know this, right?
Yeah.
It's only like us and Amram's dad.
No, there's a couple other people from school.
He kissed me.
What do you mean, brother?
Wait.
Here, Jeremiah, be the cameraman.
Let's do Here, swap pigeon. Let's do the swap.
The youngest baby
Do the pigeon swap.
Let me show us the youngest baby.
Oh, it pooped on me and then it went on your sweater. Get it off. Get it off.
Loser.
Ew.
Hey guys, look what we got here. We got a little baby.
I'll be back. I need to wash my hands.
I don't.
Look how cold it's up there.
What?
Look at this.
Wait, what? What?
Look at the goldfish.
There's a Starburst right for.
I know. I tried.
Guys.
Guys, look at this little baby right here.
Oh, you got the little one. Okay, here's the little one. You guys never saw him,
Whoa.
and he's gone.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, there's another one over there. What is happening?
What's up,
Phenomenons. Hey guys, can you say it with me? Phenomenon. Phenomenons. Dude, what's happening? Okay, my bad. Oh, I put the camera down.
Come on. Yeah, that's right.
Oh shit.
Do not leave me, brother. Just fly.
All right, walk over here so that they fly.
Fly.
Here, come on. Put them on me. Put them on me. Pigeon swap.
Fly, amigo.
Pigeon swaps are fun. All ready?
Swab.
Ready?
Poop on me. Fly.
Stuss is up.
Fly.
Oh my gosh, he flew. Wee. Oh my gosh, they can't get momentum. Fail. You good?
You want to go inside, brother? He wants to go inside, brother. Go inside, brother.
Don't push him. Don't push him. There we go. Wing's a little fishy. Woo, 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 woo. Look who's here. No. Bring the pan, bring the pan. Alright, guys. That's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you want more videos, please hit the notification bells. We will be doing so many more videos in the future. But anyways, we'll see ya. Peace.